So now we have it working. So far, hasn't shut off. The problem we had with this machine, he was getting red light, then a white light, and it would just shut right off. You couldn't even turn it on. And it led me to believe that there was something wrong with the power supply, so I did some testing, and no, it wasn't. And then it led me to believe that there might have been an issue with the HDMI. No, it was fine. So I took it all apart, checked it out. I cleaned it, put new thermal paste on the CPU, and noticed that the CPU chips were just flapping in there.